Now coming to C part. Now at first we will count the number of sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is pentagon. Now we will have to find the value of x. Now until and unless we get these two angles, we cannot get the value of x. So let us consider this angle be 1 and this angle be 2. Now see, these two angles form a straight line. So sum of these two angles will make 180 degree, as these two are linear pair. So angle 1 plus 70 degree is 180 degree, as these are linear pair. So what will be the value of 1? It will be 180 degree minus 70 degree, because 70 degree will be transposed to right hand side. So plus 70 will be minus 70. So 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 7 is 1 and 1. So it's 110 degree. Now similarly we will have to find the value of 2, means angle 2. So here again these two angles make 180 degree because it is forming a straight line. So angle 2 plus 60 degree is 180 degree, as these are linear pair. Okay. So the value of 2, angle 2 will be 180 degree minus 60 degree. So 0 minus 0, 0, so 8 minus 6 is 2 and 1. So it's 120 degree. Okay. Now as this is pentagon, so what will be the sum of angles of a pentagon? So we know that whatever be the polygon, how to find the sum of angles of any polygon? So its sides minus 2 into 180 degree. Whatever be the number of side, isn't it? Whatever be the number of side of a polygon, minus 2, 2 should be subtracted from the number of side, into 180 degree. So this is the sum of angles of pentagon. Okay. Now sum of here the sum number of sides are 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. So it's 3 into 180 degree. So 3 18s are 54 and 1 0. So sum of angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. Now what are the angles here? One angle is given 30 degree. So we'll write 30 degree plus x. Okay, see this sign is given. That means here these two sign is same. That means whatever be the angle here, the same will be here also. Okay, it's angle x. So 30 degree plus x plus angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle x make 540 degree, because this is the sum of angles of a pentagon. Now x plus x make 2x plus this plus this plus this. So 120 plus 110 plus 30. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 6, 1 plus 1 2. So it is 260 degree is equals to 540 degree. Now at first we will transpose 260 degree to right hand side. So it will be 2x is equals to 540 degree minus 260 degree. Now 540 minus 260. So 0 minus 0 0. 14 minus 6 is 8. 5 will be 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. So 2x is equals to 280 degree. So what will be the value of x? So since it is given in multiplication form, so after going to another side it will be division. So 280 degree will be divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 0. So the value of x will be 140 degree. Okay. Now in the D part we have this figure. So let us count the number of sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5-sided figure. That means this is a pentagon. Now here this sign is given. That means see in all the side this sign is given. That means all sides are equal. So if all sides are equal, that means this is a regular pentagon. And if all sides are equal, then all angles also will be equal. See, one angle is given x. So all the angles will be x, as these are regular pentagon. Okay. So this is regular pentagon. Okay. Now we will have to find the value of x. So what will be the sum of angles of a pentagon? It's 540 degree. Here we have done this. So whatever be the number of side, we'll just whatever be the polygon you have, you just subtract 2 from the number of side. Okay, and multiplied by 180 degree to get the number of to get the sum of angles of any polygon. So this is the sum of angles of a pentagon. Okay, so sides are 5, so 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 into 180 degree, so it's 540 degree. So since all the angles are x here, so x plus x plus x plus x plus x is equals to 540 degree, because sum of all the angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. Now since there is 5x, so 5 into x is equals to 540 degree. So what will be the value of x? 5 should be here, 540 degree should be divided by 5, because this is given in multiplication form. So after going to right hand side, it will be division. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, then 0, 5 8s are 40. So it's 108 degree. Okay. So this was all about question number 6. Now moving on to the next number. Now coming to question number 7. Now in this question we have this figure, and what you have to do, we will have to find the value of x plus y plus z. Okay, we will have to find the sum of this. So what is x, y, z in the figure? See, these are exterior angle. Okay, so until and unless you don't know the interior angles, you cannot get the value of the exterior angle. So here this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 30 degree, but we don't know this angle. So let us consider the angle be 1. So by angle sum property of a triangle, let us find the value of 1. Okay, so 30 degree plus 90 degree plus angle 1 is 180 degree. As this is a shape of a triangle, and this sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, because this is the angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, so 90 plus 30 is 120 degree plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. Now angle 1 should be alone, so 180 degree is there on the right hand side. We'll just take 120 degree to the right hand side, so it will be minus 120 degree. So what will be the value of angle 1? It's 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, so it is angle 1 is 60 degree. Now we need to find the exterior angle gradually. So here angle 1 we have got 60 degree. Okay, so let us start with angle x. See, angle x and 90 degree forming a straight line. So the sum of these two angles make 180 degree, as these are linear pair. So we'll write angle x plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree, as this is forming linear pair. So from here we can get the value of x, because 90 should be transposed to right hand side, so it will be 180 minus 90 degree, so it will be 90 degree. So the value of x is 90 degree. Now coming to y angle. So y angle and 1 angle make straight line, so these two are forming linear pair, so sum of these two angle will be 180 degree. So we'll write angle 1 plus angle y is equals to 180 degree. So angle 1 we know that 60 degree. So we'll just put the value of angle 1 plus angle y is equals to 180 degree. So the value of y will be 180 degree minus 60 degree. So it will be 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 6 is 2. So it's 120 degree. Okay. Now at last we will find the value of z. Again z and 30 degree forming a straight line. So sum of this angle also will make 180 degree. So z plus 30 degree. See here we have 30 degree. So z plus 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. So what will be the value of z? It's 180 degree minus 30 degree. So 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 3 is 5. So it's 1. So the value of z is 150 degree. Okay. So now we will have to find the value of x plus y plus z. Okay. So we will add all this angle. So therefore x plus y plus z will be, the value of x is 90 degree. So we'll put 90 degree. Y is 120 degree. So we'll put 120 degree in place of y, and we'll put 150 degree in place of z. Now we will add this 3. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 6. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. So the value of exterior angle, which is the sum of the angle, sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree, because x, y, z, these three are exterior angle, and what we have seen that the sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. Okay. Now coming to next part. Now in the second part we have quadrilateral, as these are four sides. Okay. Now here see the interior angle 60 degree, 80 degree, 120 degree, and we don't know this angle. Let us consider this is angle 1, because here we will have to find the value of sum of the angles of exterior angle, because x, y, z, w, these all are exterior angle. So until and unless we get this angle, angle 1, we cannot get the value of exterior angle. Okay. So at first let us find angle 1. Now how will you find angle 1? W is not given, right? So we cannot get the value of angle 1, but this is quadrilateral. This is in the shape of a quadrilateral, and we know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So here 60 degree plus 80 degree plus 120 degree plus angle 1 make 360 degree by angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay. Now we will add these 3. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. So it's 260 degree plus angle 1 is equals to 360 degree. So what will be the value of angle 1? 260 will be going to another side. So 360 minus 260. So it's 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. So the value of angle 1 is 100 degree. Now here gradually we will find the exterior angle, and then we will find the sum of exterior angle. Now we'll start with z. See z and 60 degree forming a linear pair, because see this is a straight line. So straight line angle forming on a straight line is 180 degree. So angle z plus 60 degree is equals to 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. So we will have to write the reason it's linear pair. Okay. Now what will be the value of z? 60 will be transposed to another side, so it will be minus 60. So it is 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2, and here is 1. So the value of z is 120 degree. Now here y and 80 degree forming a straight line, and straight line forming angles forming on a straight line make 180 degree, as these are linear pair. So angle y plus 80 degree is equals to 180 degree. So this is, as this is linear pair. So angle Y will be 180 degree minus 80 degree. So 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 0 is 8 minus 8 is 0 and 1. So Y is also 100 degree. Now X and 120 also forming a linear pair, because here X and 120 form a straight line. So sum of this angle make 180 degree as this is a linear pair. So angle X plus 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. So what will be the angle X? So it's 180 minus 120 degree. So 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 2 is 6. So it's 60 degree. So X, Y and Z we have got. Now we will have to find the value of W angle. Okay, and angle 1 and W forming a straight line. So the sum of these two angles, angle 1 and W, make 180 degree. So we'll write angle 1 plus W is 180 degree as these are linear pair. Okay, now the value of angle 1 we have got, it's 100 degree. Okay, so we'll just put the value of angle 1 and then 100 degree plus W is equals to 180. So the value of W angle will be 180 minus 100. So it's 0 minus 0, 0. Here 8 minus 0 is 8. Okay, so it's 80 degree. Now we have got all the exterior angles. So we need to find the sum of these all exterior angle. Okay, so let us find that. So now X plus Y plus Z plus W is equals to, now X is 60 degree. Okay, then Y is 100 degree, Z is 120 degree and W is 80 degree. Okay, now 100 plus 60 is 160, 160 plus 120 it's 280. Now and plus 80 makes 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 8, 16, 2 plus 1, 3. So it makes 360 degree. So the sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. Okay, so from this number what we have understood that, see, in the first part the sum of exterior angle is 360 degree and in the second part also sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. So from here we can conclude that whatever be the polygon, whether it is 3-sided, 4-sided quadrilateral or 5-sided pentagon, whatever the polygon it is, the sum of exterior angle is always 360 degree. Okay, so this was all about question number 7. Thank you, students.